The staff service of the NAPOLCOM who renders legal opinion arising from the administration of the PNP is referred to as A. Personnel Administration Service, B. Planning and Research Service, C. Legal Affairs Service, D. People's Law Enforcement Board. Answer C. Legal Affairs Service. The method of separation from the police service after completing the required age for length of service is called A. Retirement, B. Dismissal, C. Demotion, D. AWOL. Answer A. Retirement. The term of office of the 4 regular and full-time commissioners of the NAPOLCOM is A. 6 years, B. 5 years, C. 4 years, D. 9 years. Answer A. 6 years. The NAPOLCOM shall be composed of the offices of chairperson, commissioners, and 1. A. Ex officio chairman, B. secretary, C. Ex officio commissioner, D. Ex officio chairperson. Answer C. Ex officio commissioner. The agency of the government responsible for the administration of police entrance and promotional examination is the A. Civil Service Commission, B. NAPOLCOM, C. PNPA, D. CHED. Answer B. NAPOLCOM. Complaints against personnel of the Internal Affairs Office shall be brought to the A. DILG Secretary, B. Internal Affairs Service, C. Pleb, D. Inspector General NAPOLCOM. Answer D. Inspector General NAPOLCOM. The PNP shall be organized to ensure accountability and uprightness in the police exercise of discretion, as well as to achieve A. Reformation and rehabilitation, B. Efficiency and effectiveness, C. Organization and administration, D. None of the above. Answer B. Efficiency and effectiveness. The ex officio chairperson of the NAPOLCOM is the A. Chief of the PNP, B. Secretary of DILG, C. Commissioner of NAPOLCOM, D. None of the above. Answer B. Secretary of DILG. The 4 regular and full-time commissioners of the NAPOLCOM shall be appointed by the President for a term of A. 4 years, B. 5 years, C. 6 years, D. 9 years. Answer C. 6 years. The reorganization of the PNP is made by the NAPOLCOM, who shall conduct management audit and prepare a proposed reorganization plan to be approved by A. DILG Secretary, B. Congress, C. Chief PNP, D. President. Answer B. Congress.